We're going to find the surface area of a cylinder. So the surface area of a cylinder can be found by taking 2 pi r times h. So the circumference times the height of the cylinder, that is, plus 2 times capital B. That capital B really stands for the area of the base. In our case, it's going to be pi r squared. Okay, so let's talk about where this whole thing comes from. I want you to keep in mind 2 pi r, remember, is circumference. So circumference of the base times height of the whole cylinder equals 2 times the area of the base. Okay, so we're going to use this can of corn here to figure out where the surface area formula comes from. So what I've done, I'm going to go ahead and remove this label. And if I remove the label and open it up here, we have the general shape of a rectangle. Now, I didn't do a great job cutting, but that gives us the shape of a rectangle. So that rectangle, keep in mind, when I had it around the can, it's really the circumference of the can, right? So circumference times the height of the can. That gives us what's called the lateral area. It's the wrapper of the can, right? The label of the can. Now, I also have to add in 2 bases because my can is closed, right? It's closed on both ends, so I need to add the area of this base and the area of this base. That's where the plus 2 times the area of the base comes in. All right, so let's try an example. We know our surface area formula is equal to 2 pi r, the circumference, times the height of the cylinder, plus 2 times the area of my base, so 2 times pi r squared. So really, we're just going to be plugging in. We know 7 is our radius. We know 14 is our height. So I have 2 times pi times my radius is 7, my height is 14, plus 2 times pi times my radius squared, so 7 squared. Okay, so we just need to do a little cleaning up here. So 2 times 7 is 14, times another 14 is 196 pi. Plus, let's see, 49 squared, or 7 squared is 49, times 2 is 98 pi. So I just need to add those together, so that gives me 294 pi square inches.